In this lesson, we're going to work on a word problem, and it involves percentages and fractions. So don't be intimidated by this. We'll break it down into steps, okay? So if we have a problem like this that says Mr. Wright's class had 59% of the class that chose dogs as their favorite pet. In Miss Heather's class, half of the class chose dogs as their favorite pet. Which class had a greater percentage of students who chose dogs as their favorite pet? So we need to compare percentages. So the first thing we should do is change this fraction into a percent. So remember that a percent is 1 part out of 100. So 1% equals 1 over 100, which equals 0.01. So convert the fraction into a decimal and then convert it into a percent. So we're going to take the fraction, first convert it to a decimal, and then convert it into a percent, okay? And it's not difficult. So look, 1/2 equals 0.5. So if you don't know that 1/2 equals 0.5, you could punch that into a computer, or you could do that long division for it. So if you do the long division for it, it'll look like 2 fits into 1.0. And let me just do that for you real quick. So it'll be 2 into 1. And remember, you add a point here and then a 0. And then you divide 2 into 10. 2 fits into 10, 5. So just forget about the decimal, but make sure you bring it up here, okay? And it has to go up there. So 2 fits into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. And 0 remainder. So that's how we know 1/2 is equal to 0.5, okay? So let's continue. Now compare the percentages. So, oh, sorry, I forgot to explain this part. So when we go from 0.5 to a percent, we have to multiply the decimal by 100. So we move this decimal over twice. So 1, 2. And then we fill in the empty spot with a 0 because it's like an egg crate, right? So 1, 2, there's nothing in this empty egg crate, so we fill it with an egg. So then you just add the percentage sign, and that's it. So now we can compare 59% we know is greater than 50%. So Mr. Wright has the highest percentage of students who chose dogs as their favorite pet. So don't worry if you don't get this right away. If you repeat it again, you'd probably get it. There's nothing wrong with repetition. I have links to other videos of mine that are like this in the description, so if you need extra help, just go there. As well, you could download the ebook and you can follow along in the ebook this exact lesson. And please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you.